If you read the news and if you try to see the direction in which the world is going, all the experts say that Asia is the future. India, China, and Southeast Asian countries. At JSBF, the way we have designed our curriculum is to preempt some of the jobs and skills that will be required, keeping the technology-led growth that is happening in Asia. So what are some of the areas that you can explore after you pass out from JSBF? What are these? You can work in academia, you can do higher education, you can get a master's degree or a PhD in the area of accounting or economics or finance. You can work in industry. At JSBF, we try to teach our courses in such a way that the skills that you get here will be relevant for you when you go and work in industry. What are some of these roles? You can work as an investment banker, you can work as a business analyst, you can work as a consultant, you can work in finance, accounting. To be honest, the sky is the limit when it comes to what you can do after you pass out from JSBF. And the global faculty at JSBF allows you to learn from experts who have actually worked in these areas. The faculty at JSBF will teach you in a way where the textbook theories will be linked with real-world problems that you face in your everyday life. This is something that Indian education has been lacking in, and rote learning is something that is emphasized quite a bit in school education and also often in college education. We try to stay away from that and give you a perspective or skills that enable you to make solutions for yourself or for the business that you work in or for your employer. Let's take the example of the first semester that you spend at JSBF. You take a wide range of courses starting from economics, accounting. We also have new age courses in data visualization or emerging technologies which you might not find in other institutions in India. The School of Banking and Finance at JGU is one of the younger schools in a very young university. The university has traversed a very interesting path in the last 10 or 12 years of its existence, where we have made it to the top 700 ranked universities in the world. This is part of a globally recognized ranking system known as the QS University Rankings, and we continue to go up these rankings over time.